Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, Switzerland County in southeastern Indiana, Gallatin County, southern Boone County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Dillsboro, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warsaw, Florence, Patriot, Pleasant, Fairview, Markland, Aberdeen, Avonburg, North Landing, Crocus Grove, Mount Sterling, Moorefield, Center Square, Jacksonville, Steel Bottom, U.S. Routes 42 and 127 at State Route 562, Allensville, Egypt Bottom, East Enterprise and Rabbit Hash. This includes Interstate 71 in Kentucky near mile marker 67. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the official National Weather Service.